What do you make when you're bored, but don't feel like starting some big, overwhelming project? I pulled together a bunch of quick, creative ideas from Pinterest that you can jump into when you just want to make something small and satisfying. There's a full Pinterest board in the description with patterns and extra details for every idea you see, and vote in the comments for your favorite. Because once this video hits 100 votes, I might recreate the winning one in my own style. All right, let's get into it. Somewhere along the way, a lot of us stopped giving ourselves permission to just play. Not to be productive, not to be perfect, not to turn everything into a big plan or a finished masterpiece. Just play. And I think that's why simple sewing ideas like these hit different when you're bored. Because boredom isn't really the problem, it's that we forget how to start something just for the joy of it. Look at these ideas for a moment. None of them are asking you to overthink. They're small, simple, and doable. The kind of projects you can start in the middle of a day and actually finish before you lose interest. And there's something powerful about that. Because finishing something, even something small, reminds you that you can still create, that you still have that spark. We get so used to saving fabric, saving time, waiting for the perfect project. But sometimes the best thing you can do is just use what you already have and make something fun, useful, or just pretty for no reason at all. That's the permission part. Permission to try without pressure. Permission to not make it perfect. Permission to just enjoy the process without turning it into something serious. Because creativity doesn't always show up in big moments. Sometimes it shows up when you're sitting there a little bored, looking at scraps of fabric thinking, I wonder if I could make something out of this. And that little thought is enough. So as you're watching these ideas, don't think, would this sell, or is this impressive enough? Just ask yourself, would this be fun to make right now? Because that's really the whole point. And if you're enjoying this kind of inspiration, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. I share a lot of quick sewing ideas and tutorials here on the channel. And there's also a playlist of step-by-step sewing tutorials linked in the description.